Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the comprehensive, conclusive vocabulary guide by me, Anmol, in association with my tutorial. Today, we are finishing with our C advanced words ke saath 50. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Capricious, vipreet ya avegi. The capricious weather made it hard to plan the picnic. Cacophony, shor ya kalah. The cacophony of traffic in the city was overwhelming. Conundrum, paheli ya samasya. Solving the conundrum took hours of careful thought. Cognizant, sachet ya avgat. She was cognizant of the dangers involved in the journey. Concatenate, जोड़ना या संकलन करना. The data was concatenated into a single report. Clandestine, गुप्त या गुप्तचर. They held a clandestine meeting to discuss the confidential matters. Conscientious, ईमानदार या परिश्रमी. She was conscientious in her efforts to help the community. Circumspect, सतर्क या चौकस. His circumspect nature made him an excellent strategist. Chicanery, छल या धोखाधड़ी. The politician was caught using chicanery to sway the election results. Complacent, संतुष्ट या आत्मसंतुष्ट. He grew complacent and stopped working hard after receiving a promotion. Collusion, सांठगांठ, मिलीभगत. The two companies were accused of collusion to fix prices. Capacious, vishal ya vistrit. The capacious room was perfect for hosting large gatherings. Crystallized, ठोस रूप लेना या स्पष्ट होना. The idea began to crystallize after several discussions. Cataclysm, आपदा या विनाश. The earthquake was a cataclysm that devastated the entire city. Caustic, तीव्र या हानिकारक. His caustic remarks offended everyone in the meeting. Celerity, शीघ्रता या तेजी. The celerity of her response impressed everyone in the meeting. Clamor, शोरगुल या हंगामा. The clamor of the crowd made it hard to hear the speaker. Conciliatory, मेल मिलाप करने वाला या शांतिदायक. His conciliatory tone helped calm the angry crowd. Circumlocution, घुमा फिरा कर बोलना. His circumlocution made it difficult to understand his real intentions. Contumacious, आज्ञाकारी या बागी. The contumacious student refused to follow the rules. So आज्ञाकारी का opposite, अवज्ञाकारी. Contrite, पछताया हुआ या खेदित. After the argument, he was contrite and apologized. Copious, प्रचुर या भरपूर. The writer took copious notes during the interview. Cryptic, रहस्यमय, अगूढ़. The cryptic message left everyone puzzled. Conflate, मिलाना या एकत्र करना. The author conflated the two historical events in the book. Clandestine, गुप्त या छिपा हुआ. They held clandestine meetings to plan the revolution. Concave, अवगति, घुमावदार. The concave shape of the bowl made it ideal for mixing ingredients. Conducive, sahayak, उपयुक्त. The quiet room was conducive to studying. Commiserate, सहानुभूति व्यक्त करना, दुख साझा करना. She commiserated with him after he lost his job. Cacophony, शोर या हंगामा. The cacophony of honking cars made the city unbearable. Choleric, क्रोधी या गुस्से वाला. His choleric nature made it difficult to have a calm conversation with him. Cumbersome, भारी या कष्टकारी. The cumbersome box was too large to fit through the door. Commensurate, समानुपाती या समान. The salary is commensurate with experience. Castigate, फटकारना. कड़ी आलोचना करना. The teacher castigates the students for their behavior in class. Confound, चकराना, भ्रमित करना. The complicated puzzle confounded me for hours. Chutzpah, दुस्साहस या निर्लज्जता. His chutzpah in asking for a raise was surprising. Convoluted, जटिल या उलझा हुआ. The convoluted explanation made the concept even harder to understand. Contingency, आकस्मिकता या संभाव्यता. We need to have a contingency plan in case of an emergency. Chivalrous, शूरवीर या वीर. The chivalrous knight always helped those in need. Connoisseur, विशेषज्ञ या पारखी. He's a connoisseur of fine wines and gourmet food. Cryptogram, गुप्त लिपि, रहस्यमय code. The secret passage was hidden in a cryptogram. Collate, मिलाना या संयोजित करना. The librarian has to collate all the papers before filing them. Celerity, शीघ्रता, गति. The celerity of the response is impressive. Crux, मूल बिंदु, महत्वपूर्ण बिंदु. The crux of the matter is that we need more funding. cadence, lay, tal. The cadence of her voice was soothing and calm. Castigation, fatkar ya ninda. The manager's castigation of the employee was harsh and public. Conjecture, anuman, kayas. His conjecture about the company's future success was based on limited data. Conflagration, bhishanag, mahapralay. The conflagration consumed most of the forest in just a few hours. Cadaverous, shav jaisa, mritak jaisa. His cadaverous face made him look much older than he actually was. Concomitant, hath hone wala, saath hone wala, sahayak. The illness was accompanied by a concomitant fever. Cognition, sangyan, gyan. The study of cognition helps scientists understand how humans learn and process information. That's that for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.